You may need help with your R blends, and that's okay. If you do, check out my video on the R sound. Then take a look at your word and find out what consonant is right after the R sound or right before the R sound. Then go to the video for that sound. Once you've learned both sounds, you'll be able to put them together and practice it as a blended sound. So let's practice with phrases. Our blend will be in the first part of one of the words. Repeat after me. Great actor. Organic produce. Drive-through order. Good dream. Green lime. Treasure map. Fruit snack. Pretty bike. Fruit bat. New bridge. Smelly trash. Good friendship. Green grasshopper. Groundhog's Day. Brown horse. Traffic light. Great pitch. One crutch. Brick chimney. Green toad. Let's practice with our blend in the middle or medial part of one of the words of our phrase. Copy me. Laundry basket. Equestrian club. Clean refrigerator. We won't be practicing with a blend at the end of our word because with the R sound, this is not very common. So you did a really good job. Let's talk about moving forward as we practice more. If you had trouble with any of the words, that's okay. I want for you to check out the video for the R sound and the consonant of the blend that you had trouble with. If you still have trouble, that's okay too. Comment down below. Let me know the word you need help with. I'm happy to help you and provide more resources for you. Pat yourself on the back. You did great work today. I'll see you soon. Bye.